I started Cakeflair as a pastime many years ago and decided to explore commercial opportunities to make a difference in the confectionery space, and I have never looked back from then. We're in an era where there's a lot of carcinogenic additives that we add to our food products. So I'm like, why can't we have baked goods that are wholesome, affordable? And so I tried to solve three major problems with the cake mixes that I started, which is one, market connectivity, making it affordable to everyone. Innovative design option. The packaging it has a primary packaging and a secondary packaging. Also, food safety practices. We don't really handle the product directly, so it's hygienically prepared. And also to demystify the entire baking process. Any novice, anyone can just bake a cake now. We made it very easy. You don't need to even go to a baker to bake your birthday cakes if you just make the effort. All you need is a pack, and then you pour it into a bowl, add the wet ingredients, stir it together, pop in your oven in exactly 25 minutes. It comes out wholesomely baked and delicious for you and your family to consume.
Good day everyone, my name is Nkbc. I am 11 years old. Today I am going to be baking vanilla fruit cake with Cakeflair cake mix. The beauty of using Cakeflair cake mix is that it is very easy to bake for anyone, and you don't need experience to use this to bake.
The competition came about as a result of the lockdown. A lot of children are home, 5 months, 6 months, and we know how kids are very active. To just sit down doing one thing after, it's kind of like boredom, you know. So to try and spice up the COVID-19 era, we thought of doing a challenge that will stimulate and motivate them to, you know, bring out their best and also to showcase their talents. The whole idea of the competition is to encourage children to come out and bake, you know, and just see who will win. Just a fun activity. It's not really like, oh, one person is a loser. Everybody is a winner. I'm going to hand over the mic to our chief guest speaker, who will first of all speak for a few minutes before she presents the gifts. Thank you.
A huge round of applause for a very industrious lady, a very ingenious lady. I want to say congratulations to all the winners. I want to say congratulations to all the participants. And what Clever Clogs has done in our own small capacity, we've arranged gifts for the third place, second place, and first place prize winners. So without any further ado, should we go ahead and present the prize?
We have about 8 runner-ups, but not all of them are going to be here today. The second runner-up is not here to pick up her gift. So I'm so excited. Our first runner-up for the National Kiddies Baking Challenge 2020, organized by Chef Juls of Cakeflair, goes to Chef Obiara. Round of applause for him. He's getting a fantastic cake mixer.
A cake mixer. Oh wow. So in addition to the gift from Cakeflair, you also get this gift bag from Clever Clogs Books. So congratulations from all of us at Clever Clogs Books.
And now the star prize, the winner of the Nkbc 2020 challenge is Santa Omaja.
Wow. So in addition to getting this fabulous deep freezer from all of us at Clever Clogs, you get an Akada hat and a Akada t-shirt. Oh, and of course the So congratulations.
I would like to appreciate Cakeflair for putting this amazing challenge together, and then I would like to thank our sponsors for supporting Cakeflair to make this challenge. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. It's great to introduce Chef Juls' gluten-free, allergen-free cake mix. So a round of applause for her because it's no small thing.
NutriSap is an innovative bakery product that really helps people who really are very sugar sensitive. So this is NutriSap, ladies and gentlemen. You can order from Cakeflair, and you can only buy it only at Cakeflair for now because we are trying not to, put it out there in a way that doesn't carry out the value of the product.
I found out about this challenge on Instagram. I saw a sponsored post and I discovered it few days to the deadline. It was just a few days to the deadline. But when I told my children about it, or one of them was around me when I was going through the post, and they piqued interest. They said they were interested in sending in their entries, and I did the shoot and sent his entry just few days to the deadline.
The first thing I thought of was I would win. Then when I saw other people, my behavior changed, like my confidence reduced. What I like to be when I grow up, I would like to be an actor.
This is an event that is going to take over the baking industry when it comes to education, because it's also a way these children are gaining knowledge about baking, and I think it's going to be a great one. This is a great start, and it's going to have a great finish. It's not something that's going to end right now.
One thing baffles me, that the winner, the first and the second, they are actually boys, young boys. I was really impressed that our children, the parents are training these boys really well. Those days there is this belief that the kitchen is for the female. But what happens today shows that no, the parents are really out to help those children. I really want to thank God for Chef Juls for putting this together. It's amazing.
I want to thank my family first, my friends, and all the sponsors who have made this event possible. And I want to say a very big thank you. And I hope that when we call you again next year, you're going to show up.